Guess what we're working on now? I've got a 2003 Outlander and I would like you to make it sound more sporty. Can you do that? Of course I can. First thing we do, life support goes on the battery. And this little 16 valve donkaroonie is going to be pumping out just a couple of more netties, but sounding better in the process. So I'll give you a listen now, and then a lesson after, and then show you how it was done. With said vehicle up above our noggins, we have got the original Muthron vehicle, an east-west configuration. It only comes out to one side, which is good because it's a bloody great tow bar on the other, and it's just different the way they've made them. But a lot more of these SUVs are becoming this way. Not overly massive through here. Do we see anything broken yet? Do we? No, of course not. We're just going to upgrade it. So, this is going to be the main offender that will be no longer offending those that are being offended. It will be sportier. So, how much sportier? I guess I'll find out when I do it, eh? Alright, let's get it apart. Looking for depth of tone, and we're doing that with the free flow large bodied, stepped it right up to 2.5 inch, loads of fiberglass. The front of it's remaining the same, but I've tested it and this will be a big deep sound, just being fully welded together now. And we put it up, do the brackets, paint it up, make it look pretty, and then these people can go chaffing back to Howard, sounding like this thing is a lot bigger than it really is, being the little Outlander. So just the last bit of welding is going on now. Notice it's double cross braced, and also up there with a couple of mounts yet to be prettied up, and stand by for your sound test. There we go, all completed now, painted up and looking the part now for a sound test. You want a sound test? Okay. And here we go with one 2003 Mitsubishi Outlander. That's how you turn a little 4-pot Outlander into a sports car. Loves it. And his son's been watching too. G'day. Alright, thanks very much. Appreciate all the people from all around the place to come here, especially the people from Howard. Cheers.